In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export issues from Jira, a task any project manager or team lead may need to perform to track project progress or prepare reports. Exporting issues from Jira is a straightforward process, and within just 5 minutes, you'll be proficient in this useful skill. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Jira website. If you're not already familiar, Jira is a prominent project management tool used by teams worldwide to manage software developments and track tasks efficiently. Once you're on the Jira homepage, you'll notice a clean, user-friendly interface designed to streamline your workflow. Next, you must log in to access your projects and issue listings. On the main page, you'll see various options for logging in. Click on the Google button to sign in swiftly using your Google account. This method is quick, particularly if you're operating within a Google integrated ecosystem, providing you seamless access without needing to remember additional credentials. Once logged in, direct your attention to the left panel of the Jira interface. Scroll down slightly and you'll find the Filters tab. Filters are incredibly helpful when you want to narrow down issue lists based on specific criteria, like recently created tasks, high-priority items, or tasks assigned to particular team members. Click on the Filters tab to open further options. Following this, look for a button that says Search Work Items. This feature is instrumental in helping you customize your search queries, allowing you to focus on items relevant to your needs. It's a powerful feature that gives you the flexibility to find precisely what you're looking for, whether it's specific issues, project stages, or timelines. After finding the list of items you wish to export, you'll want to proceed to export them. At the top right corner of your screen, you should see an Export button. When you click it, several export options will become available. For the most comprehensive export of all your issue data, perfect for data analysis or sharing with other stakeholders, select the Export CSV All Fields option. CSV files are versatile, compatible with most data analysis tools like Excel or Google Sheets, enabling you to organize and analyze your data to suit your reporting or presentation needs. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully exported your issues from Jira. Remember, mastering this not only helps you keep better track of ongoing projects, but also enables your team to maintain transparency and accountability in task management. Feel free to explore and customize different filters or export options as needed. Thanks for watching and happy exporting!